Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you guys are safe anywhere you are. I thank God for the life that He gave to us. I really thank God. It's not easy to be alive and be healthy, healthy. It's not easy at all. If you are new here and you have not seen me before, my name is Nancy Ebere. I'm from Nigeria, Imo State. So I thank you for coming. You are highly welcome to my channel. Here in my channel, we support each other. Any friend you see at all on this comment, should go to their channel and support them. They will support you back. They are my real friend. They are very supportive. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell, give me a thumbs up, give me a hit thumbs up, then you comment. I promise I'm going to come to yours immediately. So for some people I have not shown love yet, please don't be angry at me. Just understand me. Nigeria, doing nothing, waiting for my service. But please, I promise I'll come to yours if you give me a comment right now. I'm so sorry if I've make you angry. So for my returning subscriber, I thank you for your support. God bless you for coming and always come to my channel and support me. I'm not perfect, I'm not trying at all, me I know, but thank you. Please forgive me and thank you for your support. So I want to share you guys how to do simple makeup. Some people will think I will not do makeup, I don't have money. Then you want to save millions of naira so that you go and buy makeup. No, just use the one you have. Just simple makeup with your foundation, with lips. Even though you don't you use your eye pencil and rub it and look good with you use your powder and rub in your face. It will make you look nice. So I want to show you guys how to look good. I know I'm not perfect. I don't know how to do makeup, but I want to tell people outside there, like all these married women that don't know how to take care of themselves. They are waiting for their husband to buy makeup box for them. Please, the little that you have, use it carefully, use it nice and look nice, look good. So let me show you. I'm going to use my foundation and this one. You can use eye pencil or eyeliner. Just use eye pencil at all to rub it on your face, and use your with lips. You can use your with lips. Some people that is not rubbing pick something on their mouth, you can use your with lips and rub in your mouth and still look nice.
You can use your anyone, just rub it and make sure you rub something on your mouth. Or you know something
some people, their husband don't like them rubbing something in their mouth. You can leave it like that, but make sure you look nice. So I'm going to do it now. Please watch this video to the end. Let's go. So follow my powder, my pancake powder, because I like first using powder on my face before rubbing my foundation. I prefer like that. So some people say that being natural is okay by me than rubbing makeup. And it's true. Sometimes when I make up I look mirror, I prefer being natural. I prefer. Then you guys should tell me, being natural and rubbing makeup, which one is okay for me? Which one is okay for me? Why I always first try rubbing this powder is I have a dry skin. I prefer. So our foundation, just simple makeup. They have many cheap makeup foundation. You can buy the one of 1,000 naira, 250, 500. Yes, even this powder own pancake, you can buy they get the one of 250, 350. Yes, they like this. Do your things and look good and smile so that your enemy will they die. Hallelujah, so we are chewing our foundation. Then let me rub my powder, but I'm not going to rub it too much now, just small. That is simple makeup. But some people will think, let me don't have money to do makeup. I'm waiting to save money and buy makeup. No, you can use small money that you have. You can use 1,000 naira and get foundation. Look at making good now. So then you can use any brush, even though not comb. You can use your eye pencil and rub this one in your eyes. Black eye pencil. Then this one here, put it here. Can use the eye pencil too. Then if you don't have anyone that you have, can use this one. Don't mind me, I don't like wearing earring. Like, I'm not going to Sabbath, I'm going Anglican church, but I don't like wearing earring. But I hope I'm looking good. That is my simple makeup. Yeah, simple makeup. How do I look now? I'm looking good on this makeup. So there are many ways much. Only these lips you can get it 200, 150. Have the one 150. Just make sure it look nice and looks very sweet. So thank you for watching. I love you guys. Let's see you on my next video. If this makeup is not okay, just tell me.